Hello children, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss in the part of assignment number 24, 7th class chemistry. Our topic is periodic classification. Okay, in this assignment total we have 5 questions. Now let us discuss one by one. Our first question is a screening constant is represented by. Okay, actually a screening constant is represented by the symbol sigma. Okay, this symbol can be read as sigma. Okay, next come to the second question. The order of screening effect of electrons in various orbital is. Okay, the order of screening effect of various orbitals is. Okay, S is greater than P is greater than D is greater than F. So the answer is first option, because s orbital is very close to the nucleus. Okay, s orbital is the location of s orbital is very nearer to the nucleus. So that's what here screening effect is very more for s orbital. Then gradually here it is the decreasing order of screening effect for various orbitals. Okay, so the answer is first option. Okay, next second question. The screening effect of d electrons is. Okay, as we have seen just now, S is more than, screening effect of s orbital is more than P, and P is more than D, D is more than F. Here the screening effect of d electrons, is much less than s electrons, So the answer is first option. Next, come to the fourth question. The decrease in the force of attractions exerted by the nucleus in valence electrons due to the presence of electrons in the inner shells is called screening effect. Simply the screening effect. How can you define screening effect? Due to the presence of inner shell electrons, the nuclear power of attraction somewhat decreases on valency electron. That is called screening effect or shielding effect. So the answer is second option. Okay. Next, fifth question. The magnitude of screening effect depends on. Core electrons. Core electron means inner shell electrons. Core electron means inner shell electrons. Okay, it is the nucleus. Okay, right, listen here. Due to the presence of inner shell electrons, or core electrons, these are the core electrons. This is the valency electron, these are the core electrons. Due to the presence of core electrons, nuclear power of attraction decreases on valency electron. Okay, we can say that the magnitude of screening effect depends on core electrons. If inner shell electrons are more, means screening effect also more. If inner shell electrons are less, means screening effect also less. So clearly we can say that here screening effect depends on core electrons. Okay, next. Hope everyone understood. Thank you.